Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to thank you all for watching my channel. I've been making YouTube videos on cryptocurrency for over 3-4 years. I want to thank each and every one of you, all my 20k subscribers, people that just watched it for 5 minutes. So yeah, first of all, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, guys. I love doing this. It's been an amazing journey. Some of the messages I've received that people making money from watching my videos and helping them in their journey really helps me out, guys. It's the best feeling in the world when I get one of those messages. So first of all, I want to thank you all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. So guys, I try and do this free live streams on YouTube. Try and do once a month. I've not done one in a couple of months. It's been a crazy bull market. It's been quite busy, but I'm gonna try and go back to doing once a month. So in this live stream, guys, I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market. We'll be looking at BTT and Tron, two coins. The trades that I posted worked really well this week. So I'll share my thoughts on those two coins. I'll be looking at sharing with you my thoughts on where I see Bitcoin being. Is Bitcoin, near its top? Is Bitcoin near, is it going to go a lot higher? Share with you all my strategies. And then most importantly, share with you how I'm trading. Lots of people can make random predictions. It doesn't really make sense. I could say Bitcoin's going to 100k, but we don't know how to trade, when to get in. It doesn't really help. So it's really important to know how to trade it. So I'll be sharing with you, how I'm doing it. We'll be looking at some altcoins as well. I know you guys love altcoins. You guys prefer my altcoin videos more than anything else. So I'll spend some time looking at altcoins. I'll be taking requests as well. If there's any coins that you think is going to go 10x, let me know. I'll share with you a couple of coins that are pumping. Last live stream I shared with you a dot trade setup, Polkadot, and that pumped 30%. So again, no guarantees, guys. It's only trading. I think if you check the last live stream I did, Polkadot went up a lot. I think it was here. I can't remember. If you have to check the last YouTube live stream that I did. It was about a month ago. I think it was this setup I shared. It pumped really nicely. So hopefully we'll make another call and it will work out. So again, thank you all. Let me share the live stream. Again, follow my YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below. But again, this is for the YouTube subscribers, YouTube viewers, and the YouTube fans. So this is videos for all you guys. So can you guys hear me? Just comment that you can hear me well. I'll take a couple of minutes to post the links to the Facebook group, Telegram group, YouTube group, Twitter, and all that good stuff. And then I'll spend however long it takes, over an hour, looking at your coins, which coins are pumping, which coins are not pumping, trading related questions, DeFi, NFTs been absolutely crazy. We can have a look at NFTs. So we'll have a really good live stream hopefully. So let me see the comments. The comments coming in. Yeah, I can see your comments. That's really good. Hello, hi guys. RVN. Yeah, RVN is looking nice. I'll share with you a setup on RVN. Harmony 1 was an amazing trade. Did I post a video? I think it was the top 5 videos, not this one, the one before. I'll spend some time on one. I'm not actually in one at the moment. I've sold my trade. I'm not in one at the moment, but I think one can have another pump. I'll share with you one. See if there's any regular. We used to have lots of regular faces as well. We'll have a look if see that there's some regular faces. So which is your favorite coin? So people that are watching, what's your one favorite coin? I'll review that next. Comment below your favorite coin that you like, and I'll. Hello, Rayson, Prince Rafael, Raiden coin. Lots of people talking about Ray. Vet's been amazing. What's your favorite coin, guys? At the moment, I think one RVN is probably, I mean, one is the most popular one. So I'll look at one. Hey, so all the posts are done, so I'm gonna go live now. I'll start the live stream. Yeah, do you know what? RVN has got the most comments of your favorite coins. So let's have a look at RVN. So RVN, I'm looking to actually buy RVN, and at the moment you could look to just buy RVN. It's at support level. The main breakout for me would be above 500 to 450. If RVN can break out above that level, I'm just going to look to buy RVN. I think that will be a really big breakout. We'll see if we get that. That is the main setup I'm waiting for. So the plan is RVN above 450 to 500. I'm going to look to jump in. It's quite a simple setup. But if that doesn't break out, I don't think RVN is going to pump as much as people are expecting. So for me, RVN above 450 to 500, and I'm going to jump to pump it. I don't know why someone's talking about Raiden coins so much. I love Theta. Theta has made me rich. If you guys have followed me, Theta has made me rich. I'm going to have a quick look at Theta, and then I'll start my live stream. I want to give a couple of minutes for people to join. So RVN, yeah, RVN above 500 sats. I think the bull market will start for RVN. Remember, RVN, it was my best trade, RVN, back in 2018. It was a really difficult year in 2018. And one thing I want to say is, lots of people joined my group after the BTT trade, and people think it's just that easy. The market is easy. That's why we're making so much money. The way the market and coins are pumping, you can't make that much money when the market is just going sideways. There's always a couple of coins that are pumping, but if you look at like most coins, ICX, Tron, ENJ, every coin is pumping. We don't really see that as much. So you can make sure you take advantage of this. This is one of the best times to be trading. So that's my thoughts on RVN. Theta, I want to look at Theta USD. So Theta is holding this support level. I'm going to make a Theta video probably tomorrow. I've not made a Theta video in a while, and the reason is it's consolidating. And for me, if Theta starts breaking out above $14, I'm going to be really excited in Theta. Unless it does that, I'm going to be quiet. Hey, Rezwan, yes, mate, join the live stream. YouTube is fun. Last YouTube I did, it was really fun. We had like almost 100 viewers at one point. Rizwan's a good trader from the group. Yeah, join it, mates. More than welcome. I'll try and do one of these free ones. But yeah, Theta's been an absolute monster. Back from down there is up here now. So Theta, if Theta starts breaking out above $14, when something pumps, I don't really talk about investing. I think Theta goes a lot higher. But this is not a level that I look to invest. I'd want to want it to break out above that red zone, and then I'll start get back in. At the moment, I'm not that interested. OMI is a pump coin, like a really small cap coin. I think a few people are in OMI that I know. OMI, you can't get it on. You can't get OMI on. Yeah, you can't get OMI here. Yeah, Wind's already pumped a lot. I'm not really that excited about Wind. So Theta, guys, about $14, $15. Look to get in, and then again, make sure you have a trade set up when it starts breaking out. No, I don't think that. I like to, look at study ADA. ADA actually didn't pump as much. Is anyone in trader? Any ADA fans here? Soph, hi. I don't know if you're the same Soph as the group, but welcome to the live stream. But ADA, look at what ADA did. ADA had like been very volatile since it's got on Coinbase. So if you are in ENJ, take some profit in ENJ. If you watch ENJ, I believe it's this top 5 video I talk about ENJ. It was a breakout here. ENJ, I sold it here. That was my target. I want to see a pullback consolidation, then we can look to pump it. I like. Shall I share with you my pump coin already? I like SXP. I like. Hey Sophie, yeah, welcome Sophie. I like Ocean quite a lot. Ocean's trying to break out. I think Ocean pumps. 8 days a long time. I think Cardano will go up a lot again. Any Cardano fundamentals? Cardano above 150. I think Cardano heads towards $2 level. Yeah, I think Cardano heads towards $2 level. Right, I'm going to start with Bitcoin, guys. Let's have a look at Raiden. I think everyone's talking about Raiden. It's a back in the day coin. Ooh, I can see why people are talking about Raiden. Has it got news? Raiden is a coin I've traded back in the day. I've not traded it in a while. Back in the 2017, I traded Raiden. I've not traded Raiden since. But trading wise, yeah, it's sort of these structures, isn't it? Like big palm, sideways consolidation. Look for at least a breakout. Hi, Toby. Hi, yeah, coin of the week. I used to do coin of the week pumps, didn't I? Doge, right? Yeah, Raiden above there. I'd look. It would be just a trade. I'm gonna have a look at Doge for profile. So Raiden broke. I can see why you like it. It's had a big pump. So yeah, if you get a green candle close here, it's looking nice. I like the structure now. High time frame, as long as it's above this zone, it's long. Yeah, again, it's not my favorite coin. It's I'm not been trading it, but yeah, above there it could. I don't know why there's so many people talking about Raiden. Doge. Let's have a look at Doge. You know what? Doge is the last coin I look at before I do my usual analysis. So I try and share with you guys my high time frame analysis. Dogecoin is not looking bad. One thing I want to share this with Doge. So Doge, you can talk about market cycles in Doge. Let me have a look. I'll need the Poloniex chart, the weekly time frame. So Dogecoin, this is from back 2014. Dogecoin always pumps. Look, Dogecoin always pumps. So trading crypto, I'm from back end of 2016, early 2017. I got into crypto trading, but I've been trading forex for about 8 years now. So Dogecoin always pumps, and then in this red zone is where you look to sell in 2014, 2015, 2017, 2018, 2019. I was really dumb. I sold it in this pump. I thought this was the pump, and then I didn't get back in, and this was the, you know, Elon Musk and all that good stuff. And if Dogecoin starts breaking out above, you know, this 120, 130 sats, you can jump in. I would definitely have a stop below 80 because market cycle, it looks like pump and dump. Doge is the biggest pump and dump coin. So Mido, we've not seen regulars. I usually have like loads of regulars on YouTube. I've not seen you guys in a while. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. Before I get started, I'd really appreciate a like. If you have been enjoying this YouTube video, just hit the like button. There's about 37 people watching, so yeah, if each one of you just gives a like, I'd really appreciate that. So let's have a look. So Bitcoin, guys, start on the weekly. I want to give you guys an update. So Bitcoin, guys, had that big breakout. Let me get a clean chart for you all. Bitcoin had that big breakout, and since then, guys, it's just been pumping. So at the moment, it's slowing down. So if it's slowing down, someone's just paid me $100. It's a bit crazy. I'll have a look at Litecoin for you. I'll definitely look at Litecoin. Again, you guys don't have to pay. Just hit the like button. That's all I want. You don't have to pay me. I wouldn't mind being paid, but yeah, just hit the like button. That I'll appreciate more. So really high time frame. Bitcoin broke out of this 20k level, and once it broke out, there's been no going back. Bitcoin is pumping. And I think Bitcoin has another leg up. In my opinion, I think Bitcoin definitely has another leg up. I think Bitcoin heads towards, you know, a lot higher, especially if the dollar index starts breaking down. There's, again, I don't want to get into too much technical. I know most people here are for altcoin pumps and not more trading. If dollar starts breaking down, again, I think we'll have another big move in Bitcoin, and that will also, you can see gold breaking out as well. So this is where we are. If you talk about investing, you invest when things are down here. You don't, you know, most people talk about cryptocurrency when it's pumping, and, you know, the viewers, my YouTube views, my Facebook group, my trading group, everything is like really popular. You know, you want to get in when it's really quiet. Back in 2017, when it was pumping, it was, you know, best to get in before that pump happened rather than getting in. I think we're sort of around, you know, this sort of zone, and that doesn't mean that, you know, this is not the best time to buy, but I think, you know, it will go up. It could go up another 100%, 200%, but it's not like those crazy, you know, 1000% gains, 10x gains. I don't think it's that sort of gains at the moment. If Bitcoin goes to 100k, that will be amazing, but Bitcoin to 100k from here is just a 2x. You know, Bitcoin from 5k If you bought Bitcoin at 5k, sold at 10k, that's the same as buying Bitcoin now and selling at 100k. So that's just a really really important thing to understand. What exchange I use? I use Binance. Again, if you scroll down to the video, there's all the links that I use. You can check it out. So Binance, Bitfinex. Bitfinex. I don't use it as much. Binance is the one that I use. Coinbase. I use bitmex. Those are a few crypto exchanges that I like. Then KuCoin, FTT, OKX are some of the new exchanges I'm getting in. I'm not in Win. I've missed that pump. I've traded BTT and Tron. I'll share that with you guys in a bit. So yeah, I quite like this Bitcoin. It's a high time frame. If you've got not any Bitcoin, I'll just say look to buy some. I wouldn't actually buy it now. Even if I look to buy some, I'd look to buy Bitcoin starts breaking out above 60k. I'll just look to buy some Bitcoin. That will be my plan. That is, one of the things I'll share. This is like a secret source. Is like I love exchange tokens. And I posted when I was buying exchange tokens back in February, and that's been one of the best trades of ours, I would say. And again, I keep repeating myself, but it's one of the best trades for me, getting into exchange tokens. And yeah, I really like exchange tokens. If you've missed out on BNB, I think KuCoin, FTT, Huobi token, OKX, those can pump. So I mean, this has been one of my better trades back in 9th of February, getting into all these coins. So I love exchange tokens. They're the only people that make money in cryptocurrency. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Above 60k, I'm bullish. Short time frame, again, like I said, I don't like to buy it now. The setup is not my favorite. High time frame, I think I'll attempt to buy again if it dips in there in the next couple of days. I'll look to buy 50k if it comes into hit. If not, I'll wait for a higher time frame pullback to the weekly moving average. That will be to the weekly moving average. The reason why is if you study bull markets, weekly moving average is usually where bull markets should continue going up. So if it comes into the weekly moving average, this is where I look to buy. And again, there's lots of people talking buying, selling, predictions. I actually try and share with you where I'll buy. So if we get a weekly moving average pullback, I wanted 24k, 20 to 24k. I didn't get that. I wanted, around 30k here. It didn't really come to that. If we get a pullback into, 40k, and I would like a really big sell-off where newbies get scared. So most of again, I'm not calling you guys newbies, but most of the people on YouTube that don't know trading as much, they'll get scared. If you buy Bitcoin now and it dips 20-30%, you'll get scared. And I want to buy the weak hands, and that will be sort of a long time from trade. I'd look to reinvest. I'm not in a Bitcoin as much as I'd like. I've been selling as it's going up. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. And for altcoin season, I think altcoin season will happen when Ethereum BTC breaks out. I'm repeating myself, but that probably shows that my strategies work. I've been repeating myself since 2017. If Bitcoin starts topping out, Ethereum pumps, I think that month or so will be altcoin season. But if you talk about now, it's been amazing. Ethereum BTC has been up. This is when the altcoin season started, in my opinion. Back in this move up in 2020, this was amazing. This was a DeFi drama, and then we've had nice pumps. Last week you've seen a couple of my trades in BTT and Tron, and they've gone absolutely parabolic. So okay, people are actually giving me money. I'm gonna have a look at this guy's coin. Thank you, mate. Hotshot Gamer Zach. Let me share with him Litecoin straight away. So Litecoin, you're going to love this analysis, by the way. And I'm not just saying this because I like Litecoin. I would have made more money if I didn't take this Litecoin trade. But let me share with you my Litecoin analysis. So Litecoin is one coin that always pumps. And I actually worked with Litecoin initially. I've shared with you my stories. I won't repeat myself. With LitePay and all that stuff, I was part of the community, part of the project Litecoin Foundation. So Litecoin had that crazy rally back in 2017 where it outperformed Bitcoin by 200%. So you would have doubled your, tripled your Bitcoin amounts if you had Litecoin instead of Bitcoin. So then he had another rally. This was the Litecoin halving drama, I believe, and it had another crazy rally, but went up about 2x against Bitcoin, 2-3x. So some really nice pumps in Litecoin, and Litecoin always seems to pump from sort of this zone. So it is again a cycle. If you watch my Dogecoin analysis I shared at the beginning, where I said Litecoin seems to Dogecoin has pumped from that zone a few times. Litecoin is at a level, it's not as clear as Dogecoin, but it is at a zone where I think it could pump. So I quite like Litecoin where it's at. Where's Litecoin? I'm just doing Litecoin BTC, mate. I'll do Litecoin USD in a second. So Litecoin is at a zone. it's not that one, it's this one. Litecoin is at a zone where I think it will start pumping, and high time frame, and this looks a bit messy. I want to see something like this, a big trend change on the weekly, something like this that wants me to get excited. So if you are looking to buy Litecoin, look to get into Litecoin. This is the zones where you look to buy Litecoin, not when it's, you know, pumped. It's broken a key level against BTC, which is what I love to see. I get excited when I see stuff like this. It's broken a key level. It's pulling back now. I want it to hold the daily moving average. So as long as, you know, Litecoin stays above, I'd say 34 to 3600, I am bullish on Litecoin, and I'll prefer Litecoin. So that's what I'm looking at high time frame. That doesn't mean I'm just buying here and waiting for Litecoin to, you know, moon and be a millionaire. That's not how I trade. If Litecoin starts breaking down again, I'm gonna have to exit. The last Litecoin I got excited was here. I took a stop loss here. Since then, I've just been waiting to get in. Litecoin USD trades that I have taken. Let me go into Litecoin USD. So Litecoin USD, again, watch all my previous videos. I shared with you trades all up here. I got really excited in Litecoin in from $80 and $100. Those are the two big Litecoin trades I've taken, and they're all in the YouTube videos. I've not taken Litecoin trades as much as Ethereum. You know, Ethereum, when it broke 500, that was one of my biggest trades I've taken, and I was very scared. As in, you know, by scared I mean, you know, when you put a lot of capital in, you don't know if it's going to work out, and you could lose a lot of money. So my trade was here. I got into Ethereum, quite a big position here. It dipped. I jumped back in again. This was a loser for me. I got really excited. This was a loser, and I had to jump back in above there. 400 to 500 was a really big trade for me. I still hold some of that position in Ethereum. So I've not traded as much Litecoin, and I don't hodl Litecoin. I mainly hodl just Bitcoin, and then if coins are pumping, I'm in massive profit. I hold 10-25% and still, you know, wait for trend changes. So what now for Litecoin? So I'll share with you a recent trade. Again, my friend Hotshot Gamer. Are you enjoying this analysis? I don't know if you are, but thanks for paying us. I've never had that. I think I've only had it once when someone paid me on a live stream, but it's great. So Litecoin, this was my analysis in Litecoin. So once Litecoin, this was an inverse head and shoulders, or whatever you want to call it, and it pumped from here, and this is the pullback where I shared look to get in. So I'll share with you my Ethereum plan. I'm looking to do this on Ethereum. If it pulls back and holds here, I'm going to look to long it towards 2000 level. But looking at Litecoin, my setup will be above 240, 250, and the reason why is, guys, Litecoin hasn't been above 250 since back in 2018. So what do you guys think? I mean, are there other Litecoin fans, or is it just Hotshot Gamer? I really wow, this is quite interesting. I might have to do more live stream. Where's Rizwan and Sophie? I might have to do more YouTube live stream. I'm joking, by the way. But no, I'll have a look at that as well. Let me have a look at Litecoin first. I want to share with you, and even people are just watching, I really appreciate you guys. I'm happy to help people. And again, it's a thank you to people that have just been following me for years. So yeah, 250. Litecoin hasn't broken out above 250. This is the 2018 high in Litecoin. So if Litecoin starts breaking out above 250, that will be a big deal. The way I trade is, again, I do take leverage trade. I've taken leverage trade in Ethereum when it was breaking into new highs, and Bitcoin. At the moment, when the capital goes up so much, you're more preferred to do just buying and holding. If you're new, please don't take leverage trades, and if you do take leverage trade, make sure you know what your stop is. I don't want to go into a trading rant, because I know most people are probably not traders, but you need to know exactly what you're losing. It's not about 10x leverage or 20x leverage or 5x leverage. It's about, if it hits your stop loss, how much money are you going to lose? If you can learn that, that is the key thing for everyone. So make sure you guys know that. So Litecoin, guys, 250 is a very, very key level, and the way I look to trade it, let me share with you an example. And again, I'm not saying all my trades didn't work. Litecoin has been good for me, so let me see if I can share that. When was this? My first trade back in Litecoin was around, most recent trade was around here, around 150. So that date was around 4th of February. Let me go back to 4th of February in the group. So this is like 4th of February post. And then this is the trade. You know, it was breaking out, break out above there, get above the red zone. This is, as you can see, around 140. This is the red zone that I have got drawn. Once it got back above its 4-hour moving average pullback, this was the long with stop below, breaking a key level of 150. First target there, and I let it run. And I got stopped out here. This is the trade I took, and then I closed my position when Litecoin started breaking down. I got back in again here, and I've held that position for now. I've not taken this trade myself. I've taken a position there, taken half off, another half off, and I've got 2 positions left in Litecoin of 25% left. If Litecoin starts breaking out above 250, I'm going to look to jump in again, and I think that will be really interesting. Oh, hot shot. Thank you, mate. Check out if you, I mean, looks like you paid me like a month's subscription to my group. If you are interested, mate, check out our group. I'll talk about it at the end of the video. I don't want to just be selling it. I want to, you know, share with you the content. I'll talk about it at the end of the video if you guys are interested. But yeah, check it out if you, I mean, you probably, if you, and if people, if there's lots of people with really good crypto experience, you know, been in cryptocurrency mining since back in 2015, message me. You know, I'm happy to learn from you guys as well. You know, there's a couple of people in the group that have got more experience in crypto than me, know more about DeFi, know more about NFTs, know more about, you know, blockchain. So if you've been in the cryptocurrency a while, I'm happy to look at it. Again, it's not about the money. I'm just, you know, I'm gonna look through all your requests anyway, guys. So yeah, Litecoin. If Litecoin starts getting back above 250, I'm going to look to buy Litecoin. That's the key level. If it just spikes, I think next time it goes up, it will start breaking out. I really don't want it getting back below 200. I'd probably have a wider stop loss. If it starts getting below 200, I won't be interested. What platform I'm reviewing is TradingView. Again, all the links are below. If you scroll down at the YouTube video, you'll see everything that I use, and you can check them out yourself. So that's why I really like Litecoin. So Litecoin above 250 to 300 will be the main trade. And if Litecoin continues, I'm just gonna let it run. I'm just gonna let it run and see how far it goes, whether it goes to 300. If you look at Bitcoin, again, Ethereum, guys, we've seen Ethereum. If you study the 2017 high, 2018, 2017 high, Ethereum was 1400. It broke above it. Bitcoin was 20k, and obviously Bitcoin smashed through it more than 3 times. And then you've got Litecoin, is still not above there. And one thing to say is, project-wise, Bitcoin and Ethereum, I love those coins. You know, Bitcoin, I think is, I'll probably never sell Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I'll hodl some. It's been life-changing for me, and what Bitcoin does fundamentally, I highly recommend. Hey, you don't have to keep. Thank you, by the way, Hotshot Gamer. But again, I'll look at other people's comment as well. I want to spend some time doing Litecoin. One of the videos I highly recommend you guys watch. People want to watch my crazy breakout Tron to $1 videos, but one video, if you can watch, this hasn't got many views, is where's it gone? Is it Bitcoin halving? Oh, let me find this. It's a Bitcoin video that I made. Again, you can check it out for a month. Again, I won't just say join the group, you'll be a millionaire. I'd never say that. But yeah, please do your research. Check out for a month. If it's for you, great. If not, that's fine. Let me find that video. Yeah, just watch this video. And there's a guy called Da Vinci. I never talk about, you know, other people as much because I don't really like YouTubers, other YouTubers. I think Reddit group is fine. Facebook is, again, the people in Facebook, I don't think they know as much in trading. But watch this video. There's a guy called Da Vinci. I watched his video about 7 years ago, and I didn't really get in. And he made a video just buy $1 Bitcoin. And I said this months ago, just getting into some Bitcoin. Yeah, check that video out. I'll share with you my thoughts on, you know, supply shortage in Bitcoin, Bitcoin being taken away from exchanges into wallets. People are hodling, institutional people getting into Bitcoin, and dollar breaking down. There's lots of things that I didn't predict the Bitcoin market. I just trade when it breaks out. But check out that, because I thought that was quite interesting. That's my thoughts on Litecoin, guys. And again, Litecoin fundamentally, I don't like it as much. News-wise, they've got Mimblewimble, that could be an effect, and PayPal. And I talked about this psychology before, and this was one of my best trades using that psychology. You know, people logged into 2017 and saw Bitcoin at 10k, 20k, whenever they joined, and they saw Litecoin, and seeing Litecoin at, you know, Litecoin was back at $20, $50, and they could buy rather than buying 0.025 Bitcoin, they could buy 10 Litecoins. And what sounds sexier, buying 10 Litecoin or 0.025 Bitcoin? And that is basically the reason why I think why Litecoin pumped. And when things go parabolic, you don't need to be a genius, guys. Anything pumps. So yeah, that's really interesting. But I think that was one of the reasons why Litecoin pumped so much back in the day. I think Cardano is sort of the new one, like new hype pump coin. Again, people think Hotshot Gamer, send me an email. If you go into contact, send me an email. There's crypto where you can join through crypto for yearly. Send me an email, mate, if you are interested. Then yeah, I'll you don't have to keep paying. I'll again whatever you. I don't know how much 100 rupees is for pounds or dollars, but I really appreciate your support. Just again, liking the if you just there's about 50 people watching, just liking the video will mean a lot to me, guys. I am really young. I'm very young. I'm 10 years old. Looking at Cardano, guys, I really like Cardano. Guess my age, by the way. What do you guys think my age is? And probably people in the group. This is not their logo. I mean, I just think I'm just a little guy. I just put Bitcoin and C in there. And my name is Rocko. I could change it. Like I just thought, I'm a little crypto guy. Why would they? If I was, making games, if I was doing something like that, then they'd be interested. But why would they want to challenge me? Again, if people, I might change it. I've got 20k subscribers. I only had like 800 people. 2 people watch my videos. But yeah, I am. Yes, I'm 10 years old. No, thank you again. I'll carry on doing these videos, but yeah, 10 years old. I wish I was, but no, I'm getting into my 30s now. I'm getting into my 30s. Yeah, I mean, I was early 20, back in 2016, and I was just crazy, trading crazy. Like, what, I'm not saying my real age. There's one YouTuber, he ended up showing his email addresses, and he knew he had a birthday post on Twitter, and people worked out when his date of birth is and got money out of his accounts. So, yeah, it's just I want to be a bit. I don't. I'm a bit shy anyway. I'm not really the outgoing person. I'm not gonna post Lambos and stuff. Um, but yeah, um, yeah. Back in the day, I was just trading so much. I had all my money. I've diversified, got into properties and all that stuff. Um, I've been quite lucky to be doing this full time. Back in 2017, I had a job. I'd set alerts. Trade during meetings. It was absolute crazy. I'm really blessed that, if you guys have, people that were part of the group in 2017, and they didn't make as much money as it was going up. Um, Nice, good guesses, good guesses. And yeah, I wish I was in my 20s, but again, life's just different. I didn't have any girlfriend, I didn't have family. I was just all in crypto. Like in 2017, all my wealth was in crypto, and that was dumb because if I was wrong, I would have lost it all. I've diversified. If you watch my videos, I said Bitcoin hit 20k again, I'd sell and buy a property, and it was probably a dumb thing to do because I'd probably buy. Um, yeah, I'd have alerts, mate. I don't do 5 minute scalping as much. I used to 5 minute scalp and do all that crazy stuff. But things changed, doesn't it? Life changed. Um, I've got a bit more responsibility. I've not got kids yet, but if you've got kids, I wouldn't invest 50% of your wealth into crypto. Who knows what would happen? People that say in absolutes, I still think crypto goes up. I always used to say that we'll get another rally, and finally we have had another rally. I don't know when the other next rally is, when this ends, whether it ends, in 2 months' time, next year, no one knows, but we'll see when it does end, and we'll make a lot of money before it ends. That will be my suggestion. But yeah, if people get in a bull market like this, when the market is quiet, you can make money up and down. You grow your account slowly. But when you get those big trades where everything goes up, that's when, you know, you make crazy amounts of money. And, you know, if you look at the theta trade from 80 cent to where it's now, you only need a few of those trades to, you know, make life-changing worth of money. Watch my theta video. I talk about someone who became a millionaire trading theta. I think it was this one. Check this video out. I talk about this Reddit guy who made $1 million trading theta. Okay, so let's start looking at some coins. And hopefully I haven't missed much. So that's my market analysis. Key level for Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. If you don't have any Bitcoin, just buy some now with stop loss below 54k. If it starts breaking below 56, you exit. That's a simple setup. You know, people make it like rocket science, and again, don't just use my market structure, and you know, learn more setups, add, sell, and all that good stuff. You'll become probably better traders. But, you know, keep the basics uptrend. And at the moment, Bitcoin is in an uptrend. And my strategy, I'm going to get it wrong because I've been bullish in Bitcoin since 20k. So I'll keep buying dips and stuff, and then I'll get it wrong once and I'll take a big loss, but you keep winning. At the moment, the trend is up. Theta, I like Theta more. Although Theta's pumped a lot, I like Theta more. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. I'm going to start looking at altcoins for you guys. I know there's lots of people asking for altcoins. Again, my favorite altcoins. I'll give you a couple that I like. Again, I don't want to share everything. But Uniswap, I love Uniswap. I've been talking about it since back in the day. It's one of the decentralized exchanges I think is the future. Binance, Coinbase, they rip us apart. They take a lot of money from us. So I want a decentralized exchange to succeed, and hopefully it's Uniswap. For new trades, I would like it above 32.36. I took a loser there. I don't want to talk about winners. I took a loser there when I thought it was going to break out. It didn't. I'm looking to get back in again. I think Uniswap pumps again. You know, I've been in this for a while. And the other coin that I like a lot, Polkadot. Fundamentally, Polkadot is really interesting. I'll have a look at. Did you just? I don't know what super chat is. What's a super chat? I'll have a look at auction. I know you've asked it a few times. I don't know what is a super chat, by the way. So yeah, Dot was the last live stream I did. I talked about just buying Dot. I'd say the same. You could look to get in Dot as long as Dot's above 32.30. I like it. My trade setup would be if it gets a close above 42, just jump in. I really like Dot. If it starts trend changing and daily trend changing, that's when I get scared. At the moment, the trend is up. I think Dot goes higher. I really like Dot as well. And then SXP is one that I like. Oh, I thought people are just donating. I didn't really understand. And SXP, I really like SXP. I've sold half at £5, $5. I really like SXP. SXP BTC is breaking out. I think it heads towards the $236 level. And I talked about Ocean, like a small cap coin that can pump. It's like a breakout coin. We can look to pump it. This hasn't got as much hype, so it won't be as quick as like BTT pumps. So you could probably get it pullback as well, which would be a better, higher probability entry. Let's have a look at auction, and BTT is breaking up. I've never heard about SafeMoon. I'm happy to have a look. Wow, there's 87 people. Amazing. Let's see if we can get to 100. I'll stay live for an hour or so. I've had a long day. I'm taking tomorrow a bit of a rest. But yeah, BTT, loads of people asking about BTT. BTT starts flipping and getting back above 10 cent, 1 cent. I'm going to look to jump back in. I quite like this BTT. And I posted a big trade in BTT. I posted on YouTube as well. So hopefully you guys made some money on BTT. I posted this one when it was breaking out about a week ago. The price was here. So this has been really nice. If it starts flipping there, I'd look to jump in. But it will be just a trade. It's not like a big breakout trade. So we'll see what happens there. Tron, BTT, I've got 10% left. Again, I'm not a hodler. Let me quickly share this with you. You still have a bag of BTT. I've only got 10% BTT. Soph, I'm calling you. Some people don't like sharing their real name on YouTube. I am gonna have a look at next at auction, Miha. I don't know. That's cool. I don't know where that name's from. Where's BTT gone? So I posted BTT. Again, not all my trades work, guys. There's losers as well. Ava was a loser. BTT, I got into BTT. I sold 90% at 0.1. That was my plan. And I posted when it was breaking out. You can check the charts. And I shared this chart as well initially when it was breaking out on YouTube as well. But BTT, I'll just wait. Zach, is it the same Zach? You've got 25% left. So I mean, yeah, that's not bad. It's coming back to where I sold. So I was after I sold, it went up 34%, and then it dumped 20%. See what happens. If it flips and starts getting back above. As long as it's holding 80 cent, I don't want it getting back below 80 cent. And Tron 10 cent, I don't want Tron. And watch my how high can Tron go video. I talk about BTT. Check this video out. And then I do, excuse me, I do a market cap comparison. Tron, yeah, Tron, as long as it's holding 10 cent, I like Tron. Right, so let me do, Miha's been asking for loads. Auction. Someone in the group, in my group, trade auction. I haven't traded auction. Auction's breaking out, I like it. No wonder you're talking about auction. I prefer the ocean setup, again, I could be wrong. Why is people loving this so much? So my setup, I would love it pullback. Again, if it pulls back to around this zone and gives you a green candle setup, I'd look to jump in. This was the 4-hour pullback that I shared. I'm sure the people in my group, Soph and Reza, again, I don't want to say your real name if you don't want to share. Someone in my group took that trade. Let's call him David. David took that trade, I believe. It's a 4-hour pullback. But this is looking great. Take half off here. If it pulls back, you could look to just buy some now. I would still need a wide stop loss below here. If it starts breaking below 50, yeah, I'm not in this one. I'm not in this one. But we'll review this again. What's his name? Miha. We'll review it again. I quite like it. Hotshot, yeah, send me an email, Hotshot. I'm definitely gonna get back to you. Again, I've got. There's are you waiting on ocean? I've got a position, like I said earlier. But auction, I quite like. This is nice. I like auction. Again, if it one pullback is fine. If you get in, you could look to buy some more around $50. If it starts breaking down below 48, 47, that's when I'll exit. 93 guys. Again, there's 93 people. Thank you, people that have, donated. I didn't even know that existed. Thank you, but again, if you just hit the like button, I'd really appreciate, guys. There's 90 people watching. There's 37 likes. Let's see if we can get to 100 likes before the end of tonight's live stream. You should check out the auction. Very big potential. You can use the token on auctions on NFTs. NFTs are great, so I'll have a look at auction. I'm not really a fundamental. I'm not really a fundamental analyst, but especially when the market's like this, you can't really. I know there's like the Theta mainnet, Theta big launch, and Soph has some really good calls. Theta's got a mainnet launch. I'm in. Hello, mate. I'll have a look at OMG for you. Theta's got a big launch, so I think Theta has another rally. Again, this would be more of a trade. I think you'll get 50-60%. I don't think it would be like 1000% gains like back in the day. But I think Theta has a rally. I think it's June 30th. I'll do a YouTube video. I tried to follow Theta. ENJ's got Coinbase news that's pumped. T-Fuel. Look, I miss T-Fuel, but I made a video on YouTube and I didn't trade this myself. So whenever Theta pumped, Theta 3.0, when Theta 3.0 happened, T-Fuel went berserk. T-Fuel went absolutely berserk. And I traded this one. But this one, I've missed it. 5,000%. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not going to look at this chart. I've missed it. I've not traded T-Fuel. You can make life-changing worth of money, but at the moment, don't say you've got hodlebacks from before 2021. Don't say you've got hodlebacks so below 2021. That would be sad. But yeah, emails wise, if people are requesting, I'll definitely get back to you by end of the weekend. Of how to join and all that good stuff if you are interested. But yeah, don't tell me you got in before that. Amin, let's have a look at OMG for you. OMG is 2017 pump coin. This is breaking out. Look, I've posted this one. When this broke out, I said as long as it holds above this, I'm bullish. I've not traded this, but this is looking nice. I like it. Yeah, if you did that, so you'd be life changing. But yeah, this was 2017 hype coin, and I actually had a bag of this, and it was down 80%. I was up like, can't remember when I got in. I was up like 200%, and then it dipped and it pumped. Back in the day was fun. We both need to do that. I think she's better at getting hodls coins than I am. What are we looking at? So yeah, it's looking nice. Let me have a look at the again. This is when I said these are the initial breakouts I like to get in. Cake is one coin that I really like. This is a secret one if you guys want. Cake is breaking out. So let's make money. We talked about cake. We had a YouTube group live stream earlier and pump it. So I really like. Are there anyone joined from Twitter? Are any of you guys joined from Twitter? My friend, I'm really bad at Twitter. Then my friend took over my Twitter and he's just been like scam posting, like he's talking about crazy stuff. Yeah, I'm in cake. I sold cake a bit, but it's a bit disappointing, but it's looking great. We love cake. What's his name? I think it's Benny's birthday. He can enjoy cake. Sorry, so cake again. This is one coin I got in pump. I'm trying to pump your cake bags. So if you're on YouTube live stream, it's someone's birthday in our group. So let's pump cake and make it happy for it. So again, you talk about levels. You get in a good trade. I didn't know Theta was gonna get to $10. I'd just talk about it $10. When I got in, levels are important when you're trading in the range. When something breaks into new highs, you just talk about fib extensions or key levels like $10, $5. That's when people look to take profit. When Theta broke out of 80 cents, this is when I took my first position, and you'd think that if I held all my Theta that I bought, and I'd be, I'd be I don't want to talk how much money, but I'd be a very wealthy man. But I didn't do that. I didn't know that it was gonna pump. I sold my first half position at $1, and I've jumped more position here. I have targets. I sell. This was my target. BTT 0.10 was my target. And you try to run it. That's sort of how I trade. 100 viewers, awesome. That is really good. Good to see 100 people listening to me speaking. That's amazing. But yeah, so I am talking about levels. So for cake's broken out now. So people can just buy the pump. I don't like getting on pumps. Cake, my position, people will know from the group. My trade was from here. Phantom, I want to talk about Phantom. There's one guy in my group, he knows everything about Phantom. I'll look at Phantom again. This went up like 200-300% for me. Phantom, it was a crazy pump coin. Phantom and One were some amazing trades. I'll talk about Phantom in a bit. Yeah, so cake, this was mainly my trade. And now, as long as this is above there, I like it. Look for a pullback, hourly, 4-hourly pullback. As long as it's holding above, I would have stopped below 12, but if it starts rejecting 16 and 15 level, I'll look to reject and exit. Sorry, excuse me, guys. I've been talking a lot today, so voice is down. But I'm busy this weekend, so my family's coming on Sunday. I'm seeing my girlfriend Saturday, so wanted to get this stuff out of the way. And 20k subscribers, I wanted to do something special. So yeah, cake's looking nice. Let's pump cake for Sophie. Let's pump her bags. I do want to have a look at Phantom. Anchor, yeah, so many coins. Win is again, you could see Win is like a bit more of a pump and dump because the amount of people that are asking. So when something goes up like this, I don't want to jump in. This is pump. If you're in this, great, make money, about 300%. But unless you're in this, I don't really want to be buying big positions. That's just my thoughts on it. Thanks, mate, Rubicon. I love the Rubicon juice, by the way. It's my favorite juice. There's a secret drink I like, Rubicon with vodka. And it's a bit feminine. Don't call me again. I don't want to be on YouTube. You've got to be careful what you say. I don't want to offend people. Again, I got love for everyone, but what does that mean? 100 rupee. Yeah, if you got in, great, pump it. Cake, like, some people got in cake before it started pumping. Let it run. You could leave 20% to run, but you know, otherwise you can't be in. So theta, I've got some theta. I probably won't sell because my entry was here. Even if it dumps now like 20-30%, it's still great. I'm gonna look to get into FTM, but yeah, theta is amazing. Just get in theta. From trade point of view, but if you're just buying it now and it dips, you can't be holding a position. Ave, I've lost a trade in Ave and I closed it because I bought in Ave, and this is trading. I'm not sharing with you. If someone's sharing that 100 times winner and make you millionaire, if markets start dipping tomorrow, I'm not going to make as much money. It just depends. That's why you need to look at it long time frame. So I got in Ave here, it broke out. I didn't take half off in Ave. I was a bit dumb. I don't think I did. And it just dumped. I had to close my position because I bought it and it's dumping. If it pumped here, I'd take half off and let it run and all that good stuff. But it didn't pump. Like Cake, Cake is another one that 2 coins I posted. Bitcoin is my biggest hodl. By far, Bitcoin is my biggest hodl. And then if you want to know the other smaller cap ones, so if you just check the group here, you'll find out. But yeah, Bitcoin is my biggest hodl by far. And I'm probably thinking, I was thinking of moving some of my Bitcoin into another Binance exchange and just, scamming into altcoins. It's so tempting to do, but, I want to, I've been selling Bitcoin. I don't own as much Bitcoin as before. I might do that, but I'm really happy with the Binance accounts I've got. No, I haven't got that much. I'm not gonna say how much, but no way, nowhere near that much. How rich would I be if I had 1,000 BTs? You guys are crazy. That's why I like doing YouTube videos. It's more fun. How rich will I be? 60 million. That's crazy. I mean, do you know what? I was thinking about doing a signals group. I'd make so much money if I did a signals group. Because people would probably I'd probably charge like $1,000 a month or something. Um, yeah, but I don't want to do it. I might do it in the future. I mean, I was talking to someone about, I'd please, if anyone asks for money that they'll trade for you, for me, I don't do that. I would never do it. The pressure, even in the group, when someone buys a coin that I say, I get panic. Again, I get panics that, if something I share and it doesn't pump and people lose money, I don't like it. And if I was managing other people's money and I lost it, I would feel horrible. Trading group discount, but I'd feel horrible. But if I see a market like this, I might do it with someone's help, like again, I'm not a financial advisor. In the UK, US, you need everything. This is just entertainment. But if I did do it, I'd want to work with someone, with a legal advisor, and maybe crypto fund in the future, but not at the moment. Maybe in 10-20 years time, maybe I've got, I'll probably take some holiday as well when this crypto market ends next year. I'll take some time off to just enjoy myself. Okay, FTM, let's have a look at FTM. I'm getting carried away a bit. So FTM, high time frame. So it could be accumulation. So the person that said this is accumulation, this could be accumulation, and I like the setup in I really like the setup in FTMX, and my trade in FTM was back down here, and there's someone called Eddie. So when it's breaking out, I look to get in on pullbacks. You can see the 50% zone, same as the one I shared in auction, same as the one I shared in Ave that didn't work. This 50% set zones that I share. So I do like it. I think it will pump. We'll see what happens, but I think FTM has another rally. I don't really know too much about it fundamentally, but if FTM, maybe not now, something like this, I'll still hold some FTM. I think I've got 5% or something, but yeah, above there I'd look to jump in. Okay, that's FTM. We've got 50 likes, we've got 100 viewers, guys. Would love a like if you guys don't mind. ICX. People asking about ICX. HBAR. I want to look at HBAR. You know, this is one coin. I signed up to the email list like 4 years ago. I don't have a bag of it. I would be a lot richer. This is pumping from the zone that I shared. I'm not in ICX. I traded ICX to $1. This breakout to $1. I'm not in ICX at the moment. I'm more in ONT. I've just sold ONT as well. But these ONT, ICX, Neo, some of the coins that pump together. I love BAT, by the way. BAT is a coin fundamentally I love. I've used their browsers. It's a project that I really like. Let's have a look at ICX. TRX, I've not done TRX, I'll do TRX. So yeah, TRX, as long as it's holding above 10 cent, I like it. It's just ICX wise, it's looking okay. Above $3, again, it's not really time to be putting lots of money, and it's pumped a lot. I think ICX heads towards $5 this cycle, then it will probably start going sideways and doing all that stuff. If ICX starts breaking out, so again, just a simple trading tip: if it just pumps here like this, don't buy it. If it, you know, does this, pumps, puts in higher lows, and then starts breaking out, jump in. So yeah, ICX, that will be my trade setup. I like ICX. HBAR, so I talked about HBAR, didn't I? So HBAR, you could just buy the support here, couldn't you? So with stop loss below sort of 20 cent, and if we get daily close and trend changing, could look to buy it for a trade or two as there. I've missed a big pump in HBAR. This was a big pump. I've missed it, so I've not got back in. So yeah, I've not got back in. VeChain, I love VeChain, and if you watch my videos on VeChain, I've been talking about VeChain since it broke out 100 sats, and I said, again, these are all on the YouTube videos, guys. I said VeChain has ADA, Zilliqa has pumped. I was very confident VeChain was going to have a pump. And look at this rally. It's gone up about 200% against BTC. And VeChain has, obviously, USD values just absolutely gone parabolic. It broke out above 3 cents. So yeah, pump VeChain. I'm really happy with my VeChain trade. And again, that's one of the reasons why I was very bullish on VeChain. VeChain Thor, I don't really follow it as much. Obviously, if VeChain is pumping, VeChain Thor is probably pumping. Kind of like a bull flag here. If it starts breaking out above 2 cent, you can look to get in. It's not really my thing. XRP, I mean, lots of people asking about XRP. Who are XRP fans? Comment below. XRP fans here. Any big XRP fans here? XRP is like the most popular coin, and even on my channel, XRP's got the most popular hype. Toby's like an XRP fan, looks like it. Anyone part of the XRP army? You have XRP. To be fair, above $1 again, I might look to get in some, but you guys know my thoughts on XRP. Oh, thank you, Veronica. Thank you for the shout out. It means a lot to me. BTT, mate, check these videos out. BTT videos. Again, BTT and Tron, I sort of traded it live on YouTube. So check out the BTT videos. So you got in quite early, that's not bad. So you're not a fanboy, yeah, I don't like that. So XRP, I mean, I'll share with you my thoughts on it quickly. XRP had that big pump. I follow XRP because I run a YouTube channel. So obviously, and lots of people want XRP. So my trade in XRP was here. This was sort of my main trade in XRP. If you watch my video, I actually sold XRP here. And I think it was before the pump. This was my level once it started breaking down above 50 cent. Hey, Veronica knows her stuff. What's your favorite coin, Veronica? Yeah, XRP is looking nice. Then he had a big pump, and then it started breaking down. You don't wish. Yeah, you're gonna make a lot of XRP fans angry. So this broke down, and this was the drama with SEC and, you know, the legal case and all that stuff. And then since then, once this broke out, this was actually the pump, Wall Street Bets pump, and I wasn't trading all that good stuff. and then we saw XRP pump here. So this was a trade setup I shared. I didn't personally take it. People are angry already. I've looked at Dogecoin and Dogecoin. I'm gonna make a YouTube video on Dogecoin. They get like 10K views. You know, some of my best videos don't get views, and the videos that will make you money. Ethereum, I made a video. I think it's got 400 views. This has got 16K views. Polkadot, one of the best videos I made. They don't get views, so that's why I'm gonna stop. I'm just gonna scam on YouTube again. I never say that, oh, buy this, go all in. I never say that. But on YouTube, why would I make a video and spend an hour editing and all that? I don't, it takes me about an hour or so to make a video, and then no one watches it. So that's why I just make XRP video, Tron video, and I still try to do the live streams. I'm being completely honest, which coins I'm buying and selling. I love Band Row, man. I think Band has a big breakout. I'll share that with you again. So XRP, let's finish XRP. I'll have a look at TRX, BTC, Zach. Once this broke out, I said this is the key level. This is the pump zone. I shared a buy zone here. I wouldn't buy it here now. If it comes in, I'd probably look for even cheaper. Yeah, 10x. Buy this for 10x, 100x overnight or something. I'm just gonna make. And if you check out YouTube videos, there's a guy called the Moon, and every video he makes, I don't want to talk about bad stuff again. These guys do what they have to do, and then you've got what's his name, BitBoy Crypto, and I saw his the money he makes from like ads is probably crazy. He's probably way richer than me, and I spend 20 hours a day looking at charts, making my girlfriend angry, waking up, going to the movies and checking charts when I'm going on a dinner with her. So make my girlfriend angry when I look at charts and stuff. And then there's the guy who talks about 100x to the moon, and he probably makes more money than I do. Yeah, I won't. Yeah, again, I'll just do what I do. I'll just share with you my thoughts. Obviously, the titles of my channel are a bit. I'm learning that, but if you watch my content, I never say go all in. Thank you, Veronica. I've gotten lots of money today. But yeah, I'll never do that. If someone loses money, if someone loses money because you know, something I've wrong, I say I'd never ever do that. Crypto RUs again. I don't know what that guy is. I think Crypto RUs is a YouTube channel. We all need a lady like Veronica in our lives. If you're trading, is a scam ad in the live stream? We all need yeah, trading. The traders are the worst boyfriends, because if when you're trading, you can't have time off, can you? If something's breaking out, if I'm go on my honeymoon and then if Bitcoin's breaking down and I've got lots of money in it. So I mean, send me a suggestion again. I'm not an editor. I'm not a cryptographer. Let me know what suggestion you've got. I could look into it different. um. So looking at XRP, I quite like XRP. So XRP, if it starts breaking above $1, look for a pullback entry towards 120. I think this starts going up. I quite like. Chart wise, I quite like. News wise, it looks like they're gonna win the case against SEC. So that will be quite interesting. I think I need to ban crypto RUs. I think that looks like a scammer. Let me ban him. He looks like a trader girlfriend. I don't think they exist. Trader girlfriend. But yeah, there. I mean, Sophie, that is funny. So yeah, XRP. It looks like they're gonna win. Coming back to the content, I really like YouTube's more like fun. I enjoy this content. Um, that's a dream technical analysis. But if XRP starts breaking out above $1, we can start looking to jump in. You should date me. Yeah, we should date Veronica. Yeah, it's all fun and games. But yeah, if XRP wins their lawsuit, it's one of the hyped coin. Again, I think this will be another huge pump and dump, as in, this is a pump and dump, isn't it? This is a crazy move up. XRP, if SEC wins, I think XRP has a big rally. The amount of, supply out there for XRP, I don't, that's some of the things. The tokenomics of XRP is not something that I love, but trading wise, it's great. Have stop losses off, keep it running. Again, I might look to trade XRP as well above $1. Look for any pullbacks or anything to get in. Omi, I don't think Omi is on TradingView, so I won't be able to look at it. Are there any coins that I've missed? Oh, TRX BTC. Sorry, I've missed out. So Veronica just paid £2 of $2 and not asked for a coin request. So TRX BTC for Zach. Zach's been quite helpful. Can we get this to 100 likes, guys? It's an hour, but over 107 people watching. If you all guys just hit like, I get 200 likes, and I'll carry on with the live stream for another 10-15 minutes. Just hit that like button, guys. TRX BTC. So TRX BTC is not looking bad. I'm still long TRX. This is a very, very key zone for me. And my target was 268 for TRX. And the reason for that is this is when it's 2020, 2018 highs. These are very key 236 Fibonacci level, and I don't really talk about Fibonacci levels as much. This is thank you. Yeah, I'd love if you just hit the like button. That would really mean a lot to me. But yeah, this is a very, very key level for TRX. Again, if it comes into here, look to take profit. If it starts breaking out above, I wouldn't just buy it straight up. Pullback, something like this, getting up, or stuff like that. I'd look to jump in again of TRX, but in a high time frame, as long as it's holding above this, I like it. I like TRX. I've looked at RDN. I think, what's his name? Vishnu's been commenting all night. If another 2 people ask for RDN, then I'll review RDN. Yeah, I mean, if you're in XRP, if it gets to like $5 or something, just you buy a cutout of a Rocko. You're making me thirsty. Is it mango into? I love the mango one. But if no one else wants RDN, XO, take a look at XYO project if you could, please. They have big partners. Is that true? XYO on KuCoin. Chart looks alright. I don't believe they've got Microsoft and FedEx as partners, but I'll take your word for it. Hopefully you're not trying to pump me your coin and then dump on me. Chart looks okay. I like the chart. This is like the dot setup I posted. See, it looks like Veronica and Rizwan got a good connection. Both like Rubicon. Yeah, Rubicon's a bit too sweet, but with vodka, it's nice. Yeah, XRP, if XYO, if it breaks out above there, you could look to get in. I'd have a wide stop loss below. Do you like to trade pizza? Yeah, no one seems to like RDN apart from Vishu. To chart wise, again, I don't know nothing about it. I'd have a stop loss above there if it starts getting back above there, and then we'll see what happens. So XRP to $10. That's funny. Any other coins? RDN for Vishu and the whole. Yeah, with vodka is really nice. Algo. I didn't want to share Algo because I really like Algo so much. People in my group will know how much I like Algo. Algo, I own Algo, so I'm not trying to pump my bags like I'm being honest that I'm pumping my bags. If Algo starts breaking out above 2500, just buy some. I really like Algo. Again, anytime I say something, don't just jump in. I got really excited in Algo there. I took a loser. I took a loser in Algo when it broke out above there. I didn't take profit. It dumped, and then just think about this, guys. Look at that, like if pumped, right? And then I got stopped out in this for about 7-8%. So if I take 10 losers losing 8%, and then you get one winner, that's huge. That covers everything. So it's all about risk to reward. I'm really enjoying this live stream, by the way. Rubicon is here. Have you just changed your name to Rubicon? I don't know why we're talking about Rubicon on a crypto live stream. SHA. So look at SHA for. Is it a crypto safe haven? Is it safe haven? Let's have a look. Safe haven is pumping. Chart wise, it's looking good. Came into that 50% 618 zone. This is not bad. Are you in this one, Rezwan? I mean, I think I reviewed it for you in one of the live stream previous. I said as long as it's holding above the red zone, I like. It's looking good. If you've got in, sell some. Would I buy some more? You could buy some more. I'd still have a stop loss there. If it starts breaking below here, then I'd exit. People that started this year are blessed. People that started last year are blessed. I'm actually glad, people that joined in 2018 in my group, there's a couple of guys that's been here and we've just been hustling, get 10%, 20% there, we go sideways and all that stuff. And then, yeah, I'm just glad, they learn trading and people that are making money, even in my group, that people that are making money, now trading, you're not really learning proper trading. Trading is a lot harder. It looks a lot easy, just buy some, sell some. I wish you could watch some videos from me from like ages ago when things won't be as merry as it is now. But thanks, Veronica. I really appreciate the feedback. It's Rocko. It's Rocko. I used to call myself Crypto Rock on YouTube, then I changed it. Has anyone commented RDN? I don't think I've seen another one, Vishnu. Rizwan's got game. Where's Sophie gone? Sophie, are you watching Rizwan? RDN. Someone's commented RDN. Do you know what? I'm gonna have a look at RDN now. Vishnu's been trying to make me look at RDN all night. Let's have a look at RDN. So I have reviewed RDN. It's holding support, so technical analysis, no one actually knows what's going to happen. So let me have a look at Safe Haven. So Safe Haven, I'm not trading Safe Haven, but I said as long as it's holding this, it's bullish. And then it pumped like about 80%. Pumped about 80%. And where's that? Where's your coin? RDN. It's Radiant Network, isn't it? I remember trading it back in 2017. So as long as it's holding this, it's all right. You could hold it. If it starts breaking back above 2400, you could look to buy breakouts, pullbacks, and all my trade setups that I teach. But at the moment, it's looking okay. As long as it's hold this. I am on Twitter, so I've got two accounts. I've got like a Rockstar Crypto Rocko one. I don't really use that one. Then I've been using my friend's one. It's like a crypto mod. I think it's Trader Rocko. on Twitter, and my friend just talks about pumping stuff. You can check it out if you're interested. But yeah, Twitter, I just joke around on Twitter. I used to provide, excuse me, good content, but I didn't get any followers, and then I started posting XRP to $10, XRP better than. Actually, Rizwan's trying to do sales for me. Rizwan's trying to help recruit people to the group. Okay, guys, any last coin request, just hit which coins you want. I'll start rounding it up. Yeah, that's great. I mean, I would love to, arrange some drinks. I've not done it, but the group is going, and I just manage it myself. But my infrastructure is not great. My infrastructure, I need to improve that. I need to get like a web developer. I've got a web developer that helps, and someone in Asia that just does the admin. But my group, I've just decided I just do it sort of myself. And that's what I like about it. It's so sort of family, homely basis. And if everyone joined, I wouldn't be able to manage my group. So that's why I sort of put the prices up when people start joining. But I love being part of the group. Trading's crazy, so it just helps. You know, be friendly as well. Just again, like people like David, Rizwan recently, Sophie. There's lots of other people. Like I don't want to name people here, but Robert, Majori. I could name thousands of people, not thousands, but 10, 20 people that I've got to know really well. Right, sorry. So let me have a look. MBX, and Sophie's requested a coin. Which is it? A crypto? It's not on TradingView, mate. Ask me on the weekend. I'll find the chart for you on another exchange. I can't find MBX on here. Sophie asked for a coin. Sophie asked for. DGTX. DGTX is on Binance. Again, so many coins that looks like this. I love this sort of structure, but you can't buy. Yeah, please take profit. That's all I'll say. Most of you, I look like a genius now because most coins goes up. But it depends on how things work. So DGTX is like that. Above this red zone, I like DGTX. DGTX USD. Don't know where you found this one. Is it got USD? It's not got USD pair on KuCoin. But yeah, the USD chart is not great. If you've emailed me, so you can join this again. I'll talk about it at the end of the live stream. So there's two ways you can get the full course online. If you check out the full course, you get access to the online website and then 6 months of the group. That's one way. Or you could check us out for a trial. It's $40, I believe. It says $50 there. I've not updated the price. It's £40 a month. You can trial us, or £200 for the year, and that's through PayPal, or you can get the full course. So it's up to you which one you want. I'll do 3 to 4 live streams. There's a Telegram group. Again, I used to reply to everyone in the Telegram group, but as the group is going, I can't obviously physically reply to everyone, but I still spend at least an hour a day replying, and then obviously 3 to 4 live streams a week, and there's other people. And then yeah, just if you haven't got PayPal or have any questions, fill this in. I will reply to everyone this weekend. Oh, that's good. But yeah, I will reply to people. Just message me and I'll reply to people. I'll reply to people at the weekend how to join if you want to join through crypto or any other way. Okay. Any last requests? I mean, there's still people watching. Any last requests? Which is the one coin that will pump? So Zach, yeah, I'll email you. Do you know what? I'll try and reply to you tonight if I can. But no, I get so many scam emails. Like people keep emailing me on. My girlfriend will be angry if I reply too much. Yeah, she will. But I do try to get back to people as much as I can. Yeah, don't worry. Again, if you're part time, if you want to check it out, you can. I don't want to. Again, just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll do another one. I really enjoyed it. I'll do another one of these next month. I'll definitely do another one of these next month. The YouTube is more fun as well. We were joking a lot as well. I enjoyed it. Cocos. I mean, if you guys want, what I could do is like open Google and just start looking at coins. So Cocos, I've I heard about Coco, so I was gonna look into it. Coco's coin. If you want, in another future live stream, what I'll do is I'll just start looking at going to Google and look into coins, but maybe it's a bit late for today. So I'll just share with you one of the coins, just review the coins that I like. Veronica and Rizwan are trying to recruit people to my group. This live stream's been a bit crazy. I've really enjoyed it. You've heard of Cocos as well. Okay, so let's go back to Bitcoin, all the coin stuff. I think I've shared enough coins. I've shared one coin that you can get in. I've shared Cake. I've looked at loads of coins. Just watch the live stream. I've shared where to buy, stop loss targets, and hopefully you guys can make some money from it. The key thing for Bitcoin is, guys, I really don't want Bitcoin to lose this support. If Bitcoin starts holding above there, I think, Bitcoin heads a lot higher. I mean, it sounds weird. 69 likes. We are so immature. And, being in cryptocurrency is a bit crazy. But let me have a look at Coco, see when Rizwan likes it. Is it on here? It's on Binance. Oh, look at that though. It's already like mooned. Why didn't I know about it? Yeah, no worries, Rizwan. I'll see you again. I'll do some posting tomorrow. Catch you guys Saturday, 11 a.m. will be my next live stream. And Zach, I'll email you as well, mate. I've really enjoyed today's live stream. But Cocos, again, I'll review it again. Let me set an alert. If it starts breaking out, I'll let you guys know. And if you're in, like, for crypto, like, if you're young, single, free, just go all in crypto. Bye, Rizwan. We've had a really good live stream. So Cocos, if it starts breaking out, I really like. And thoughts on Bitcoin, I really want it to hold that level. If Bitcoin starts breaking out above 60k, just buy some. Just buy some above 60k. That will be my plan. If it gets back above 60k, just get in some. I think it will break out into new highs towards there. And make sure you have a setup. If it does a big nasty spike like it does, take a loser. Move on to the next one. I've taken lots of losers. Trading is about risk to reward, getting in high probability trades. And I really like Ethereum as well if it starts breaking up above there. If Ethereum and BTC starts breaking out, then I think, all your altcoins, even if you're shit, sorry for swearing, but your shit coins will pump. Any coins that you pick, most coins will pump. Coins in an uptrend or coins with hype. If Bitcoin, Ethereum does what I just said, yeah, they'll come well. And next live stream, I'll let you know. I do once a month. I did one 2 months ago. But in the YouTube one will be next month sometime. If you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button, then you'll get notified when I go live. So just do that. And if you are interested in the Rocko trading group, again, not forcing anyone. If you are interested, check it out. I'll leave the links below. You can get the full course. You can join us for a month. There's all the options available. Message me. You'll get accepted in the group within the next 24 hours, unless it's a holiday or my admin can't get you added. But you should get added. You get added to the Facebook group. You get the Telegram group. And if you get the course, you get it online. Otherwise, you get the Facebook group where I do 3 to 4 live streams a week. So again, thank you very much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you all enjoyed it, only request is just hit that like button. And again, thank you all. Again, I started this journey by myself. I was like a random guy making YouTube videos, and 20k people, subscribers, about 100 over 100 people watching. Making friends as well along the way. So it's been amazing. So thank you all, guys. See you at the next live stream. Check out the Rocko trading group if you're interested. If not, guys, just smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and good luck to all of you. Hopefully you all achieve your dreams and have a great crypto making money and a great life. I don't know what I'm saying. So have a great time, guys. Goodbye.